Hey, what's up everybody? It's Amaya. So today's video is going to be my August Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so excited. We had a little mishap with last month's Boxycharm unboxing. I filmed it. I was really excited about it. I actually really liked the video. And then when I was editing, I found out that my camera had deleted my entire intro, outro, and the end of the video. Or so I thought. So I was really upset because I had filmed and edited this entire video and then I couldn't upload it and it was really, really late, and so I just ended up deleting it. Now, when I was editing my latest video, I was going through my footage and I found the deleted footage. It had just gotten put in a weird spot, not with all the other videos. It was way far down in my camera roll. It was really weird. So it turns out I had all that footage the entire time. I just thought I didn't. But we are back with the August box and hopefully we won't have any mishaps with this one. But yeah, I'm ready to hop right into it. Before we do though, please be sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter. They are right over here. All my other social medias will be in the description box below, so check them out if you wanna. If not, no pressure whatsoever. Check them out if you like. And yeah, let's hop right in. Okay, so here is this month's box. It says that the theme is Totally Boxycharm. That's what it looks like right here. If you guys have never tried Boxycharm before or you've never watched any of my videos before, the way that I do these is a try-on style. So I try on everything that I can in the box. And for those of you that don't even really know about Boxycharm, it is a subscription box, a makeup and skincare and hair care subscription box for $21 a month. And you get over $100 worth of product in each box. You usually have 4 to 5 full size or deluxe sample size products. And oh my God, everything totals way over $100 every time. I have found some of my holy grail products using Boxycharm. This video is not sponsored by them. I buy all the boxes myself, and yeah, it's just a really, really great box. I do these videos because I love showing you guys what I get and how to use them, and they're just really fun. And yeah, that's really it. I love Boxycharm. If you're interested in subscribing, I have a link in the description box below. It is my personalized link, so if you click on that link and subscribe using it, I will get some extra charms, which is Boxycharm money, but I don't get paid or anything like that. But yeah, let's just hop right in because I am so excited to try everything out in here. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to be trying out today is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So this is what it looks like right here. This says that it retails for $42 and it's a multitasking beauty elixir that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. So I'm really excited to try this. I've tried a couple things from Wander Beauty and I've liked them pretty well, I think. So it has this little pointed tip right here, which is reminding me of the Touch in Soul, what was it? The No Problem Prime Essence, which I absolutely love, by the way. But let's just see. Ooh, okay, so it's coming out pink, and it definitely has some shine to it, and it's very liquidy. So it's just, put it on the skin. I just have my skincare on, my moisturizer, eye cream, all that sorts of good stuff. So it feels super moisturizing and super smoothing on the skin, and it has a slight tackiness to it. I really, really like how this is looking. I was nervous when I was squeezing it out onto my hand because it looks like there's shimmer in here, glitter, but on the skin, I can't see it. I just looked at my skin up close and I can't see the little glitters or shimmers. There are some in there, but you can't see them on the skin. They're so fine. They just end up looking like illumination, not glitter on the face. Can't wait to see how foundation lays on top of it. Before we get into that though, we are actually going to head in with the eyes. I just have my eyebrows done and my eyes primed and set and all ready. So the two little eye things we're gonna be trying out today are these Ace Beauty, I'm not sure, Glimmer Shadow Duo. It says it retails for $25 and these are high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. So the first thing that I think of, obviously, when I see these are ColourPop eyeshadows. I love my ColourPop Super Shock shadows, but these look exactly alike, and they're double the price. So I don't even know. I'm not sure how these are going to be. Let's just swatch. This one's in the shade Iced Latte, so it feels very creamy and smooth. That's a gorgeous color. This one's in the shade Cotton Candy. It's kind of I would say a pinkish red with a gold duochrome. These are very, very soft shadows. I'm surprised they didn't come broken. Ooh, I really like that duochrome one. Do you guys see that? That's a really pretty duochrome. Just gonna swatch them right here. Oh, I love this shade. So the Ice Latte is like a bronze with a like silvery white glitter in it. And then the one over here, Cotton Candy, is definitely a like pink gold duochrome with some gold glitter in it. So these are both really gorgeous. I'm gonna try to use them both today because I just want to try out both. They look gorgeous, but like I said, these literally remind me exactly of ColourPop shadows. So I don't know that you necessarily need to get these ones to get the same effect, but they are really cool and I'm excited to try them. So let's zoom you guys up so you can get a little closer look. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is I'm gonna go into my Soft Glam palette by Anasazi Beverly Hills. I'm just gonna lay down a few like base shadows. I'm gonna start with Orange Soda right here in the crease. Then I'm going in with a little bit of burnt orange as well. Okay, I'm just switching brushes and going in with a mix of Sienna and Rustic and just buffing that on the outer corner for a little bit of depth. And then lastly, I'm just going in with a little bit of Cypress Umber and Mulberry. A teeny tiny bit mixed together on this brush on the outer corner. Okay, so now we just have this like nice like neutral warmish base laid down. I'm actually going to go in with some of my NYX glitter glue for these shadows. I feel like this is going to help them perform the best. I know my Super Shock shadows perform fine on their own, but they perform better with a glitter primer. And these remind me of the Super Shock shadows, so we're just going to put down some glitter primer just to prevent any fallout or anything like that. Okay, so then I'm actually just going to go in with my finger and mix these together. And I'm just going to tap this on the lid where we put that glitter glue. Oh my gosh. You guys know I'm a sucker for glittery eyeshadows. I can't help myself. And these ones are amazing. They just apply so beautifully. Oh my god, like full pigment, all that glitter, just staying so nicely. I love the mixture of these two shades too. Low-key in love with these right now. Wow. Wow. Just gonna take my brush and just meld those together. Okay, so next thing is another eye thing. We have the Tarte Big Ego mascara right here. This retails for $23 and it says it's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So I haven't really heard a lot about this mascara, but I mean, the results on the back look fantastic. So you guys know I'm very picky about my mascaras. I always use several. I never just use one, so we'll see how this goes. So here's what the tube looks like. It's bright pink with gold writing. You definitely won't misplace this in your collection. So the brush is basically just Too Faced Better Than Sex or L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's that kind of like hourglass shape brush. I also like that this is a locking tube. Like it really locks into place, so you know, like you're not just screwing it down. It clicks and like locks into place, and I really like mascaras that are like that because then you know they're not gonna like dry out or like be left open accidentally, which is my favorite. So yes, let me just curl my lashes real quick. All right, lashes are curled. Just here goes nothing. Feels so weird to not be using my Benefit Roller Lash on my pair of lashes. Okay, so there's like just one coat. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's try the other eye. How I feel about this. Guys, I don't know that I like this mascara. I feel like it's not doing anything. Not the right brush for this formula. I feel like this formula is a little bit more wet and it needs a smaller brush. But my lashes look lame right now. Alright, we're gonna go in with my Benefit Roller Lash. Just try to fix this situation. Okay, I feel like that's helping it, the Benefit Roller Lash. Here's some Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Let's try a little bit more of it over top. Verdict on the mascara is I don't know that I'm a fan. I feel like it's really letting my lashes droop. I feel like they look very short. They don't look how they normally do. I don't really like them, honestly. Maybe I could see myself incorporating it into my mascara routine if I, tried it a couple different ways with a few different mascaras, but my lashes are definitely not holding a curl. They're flattening out. So yeah, not a fan of this mascara at all, actually. Yikes. Okay, so definitely not a fan of that mascara, but I'm really excited to see how foundation applies on top of this primer. So I have some foundation mixed with moisturizer and primer here, which has been like my favorite combination right now, mixing primer and moisturizer into my foundation. And just make sure that matches me. Yeah, we should be good. All right, so I'm just gonna take my Sephora stippling brush right here into my foundation. We're gonna start applying this. Okay, so I'm really liking how this foundation is looking on top of that primer. I feel like that applied really nicely. I feel like my skin looks really glowy and hydrated and gorgeous. It's not like breaking up my foundation at all. It's not making it look like greasy or cakey or anything. I'm a real big fan. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in and apply a little bit of concealer and a few other cream products, and then we are going to get on with our next item, which is a powder. Okay, so now that we have the rest of our face makeup on, except for any powder products, I am going to go in with this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. So this retails for $39, and it's a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. So some of you guys may remember this powder because it was a big deal when it came out, and the reason for that was that it supposedly feels wet when you're putting it on your skin, even though it's not. It's a powder and it's dry, but it has like, what is it? It's formulated with 50% water and glycerin, so it creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. So I've been wanting to try this forever. I actually almost bought it. I love the packaging, by the way. Okay, when I'm taking this off, it actually feels like cold. That's weird. I'm literally so excited to try this out. Okay, I take my sponge right here, and I'm just going to take out any creases underneath my eyes. And oh my god, y'all, it feels soaking wet. Like, not even just from my sponge, because like my sponge is damp, but like it actually feels like wet and like kind of cold. What? It feels wet and almost like sticky under my eyes, but it's not. It doesn't feel like when I touch it with my finger, it's smooth. When I'm putting it on the skin, it feels kind of wet and like tacky. My under eyes feel very like smooth and not dry. Like, they don't feel dry, but they look matte, which is what I like, because I don't like my under eyes to be looking like greasy or anything like that. Really excited about this powder. I cannot wait to try it more times and like see how it wears and all that. But so far, that was a really interesting experience. Okay, so I'm just gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, and then we'll be back for our final product. Alrighty, so we are back now. I just finished up the rest of my face, and I also tried the mascara out on my lower lashes, and I was not a fan there either. So honestly, just not a fan of this mascara for top or bottom lashes. But anyways, quick thing, if any of my bronzer looks weird or patchy, or you see these little dark dots, it's not my bronzer. It's actually hair color, because I just had my hair recolored today, and my skin likes to pick up on hair color and like have it stain my forehead really badly and anywhere else where it may get. So I scrubbed it off the best I can, but I can really see it coming through in the lights right now. So just know that that's not like dark spots or bad bronzer or anything. No, it's just hair color that's stained on my skin. Anyways, last thing, we have this Steve Laurent lip liner in Chic. This says that it retails for $15, and it says it smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish, completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long, and lasts up to 7 hours, which is a pretty big claim. I prefer like automatic liners, but pencil liners are nice too. Seems to be like kind of a nice like 90s nude. All right, let's just go right in. Okay, so here is the color right here. I like it. It feels very lightweight on the lips. Doesn't feel like greasy or waxy or anything like that, which I really like. It literally feels like I have nothing on my lips. This is really pretty. I'm gonna put a lipstick over this though. I'm actually gonna go in with this Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Fuel 2.0. It's a cream. This is what it looks like. It's just like a nice nude. Kind of like a brownish nude. Just add that as a nice finishing touch over top. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how everything came out. I like how my skin's looking. I like how my eyes are looking, minus my lashes, but whatever, we can get over it. Yeah, other than the mascara, I really liked everything in the box. The oil was really, really, really nice. I like how foundation applied over top of it. I like how it made my skin feel. It was really nice. These eyeshadows look stunning, gorgeous, amazing. I'm definitely going to be using these more. Do I think that they're worth the money? I don't know. I feel like you can get ColourPop shadows that do the exact same thing, but they are still really nice. Mascara, no, I do not like this. I might try it out a couple more times, but for the most part, I would not spend your money on it. I did not like it. This powder feels so nice under my eyes. I love how my skin looks today. It looks very seamless. It feels really nice. So far so good on the powder. We'll see how it wears, of course, but so far so good. I really like it. And lastly, this lip liner. I like it. I think it looks really nice. I think that pencil liners are best after they've been used a couple times when they're not as sharp. It was a little bit difficult to work with, but I like how it feels on my lips and I really like the color. So all in all, this was a really successful Boxycharm. Now on to my favorite part, however, which is when I tell you the total of everything. Okay, you guys, so the total for the August Boxycharm is $144. That's insane. Okay, so for $21, I got $144 worth of products. Even if I were to subtract that mascara, which was $23, since I didn't really like that, I would still be getting $121 worth of products for only $21 a month. That's pretty insane. I'm really, really excited. This box, like I said, pretty good success. So that is everything for this video, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Let me know if you liked this video, if you got these same products in your box and how you felt about them. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye. It's delicious.